Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great and markets were kind enough. It was very calm today. And today morning I posted a podcast today. We'll try to put a podcast today. And I told in that podcast that market is likely, Nifty is likely to touch 19,900 and Banknifty is likely to touch. Let me go to the Banknifty chart so that I can explain you what I have told. Banknifty is likely to retrace 43,500 levels, right? In fact, it went above 43,500 and it was not, bulls were not able to take the market over 43,500. And let me show you, this is the podcast and I gave a levels for Nifty and Banknifty. So this is the Banknifty level and we told that markets are likely to touch 43,500. This black line, you can see that I made sure that it will touch 43,500. And in terms of Nifty, I told that markets it will go and touch 19,900 and that is what has happened. If you see here, let me change this to a Bank Nifty. As I told, it has gone. You can see the green red marker, black mark. And in terms of Bank Nifty, I told 19,850 to 19,900 is a very strong resistance, and in fact it high was around 19,900, almost 19,900. So this is how the markets are. And if you can notice this yellow line which I have drawn yesterday, you can see where the rejection has happened, right? So let me show you clearly so that you can understand. This green line or this orange line was drawn yesterday and that is where the rejection has happened, and we managed to close above 19,800. So what is going to happen going forward? That is the main question here, right? What is going to happen going forward in terms of Nifty, in terms of Bank Nifty, and we'll also see the global cues, what might happen. I don't think there is any major event coming up in terms of US market. We follow US market than our own market. So we'll see what happens in terms of US market also. And I'm sure markets are likely to go on the higher side. Now, what are the levels? What are the levels for Nifty and what are the levels for Bank Nifty? That is the main question here, right? So we'll see about that. And in our this thing also, in terms of our PNL also, we have made a good profit today. We have made today's 16th and we made a profit of around 20k. I have been posting this in our community tab on a daily basis. So if you want, you can check our community tab. So today's profit is around 20,550 and cumulative cumulative ROI till now is 7.89%. We have another 2 or maybe 3 trading session. So we'll see. Monday is holiday and tomorrow there is 2 expiry. One is in fact there is 3 expiry. One is mid cap expiry in Nifty, and Sensex is BSE is having 2 expiries. One is Sensex and BankX, right? So we'll see about that also. Now first thing, Nifty, we'll talk about Nifty, where the Nifty might go out. So if you see here, let me change this to an hourly time frame. So if you see here, we have been seeing rejections and we are seeing a rectangular formation, right? Let me extend this line. Now either it has to this is a triangle pattern and we are likely to break 19,900, or let's say today's high is around 19,872, is likely to be broken maybe on Friday. And let me tell you, tomorrow is a holiday, US holiday, so markets might not might not react to US futures, or because US market is closed. Market might not react and it might be sideways. So tomorrow might be sideways. So tomorrow also we might trade in between 19,750 levels, or to be precise, today's low. Let me say today's low is around 19,800 to around 19,900. This is the level for today, and I don't think this is the level for today. and this level will be maintained tomorrow also. So market may not move above go below 19,750, and it might not go above. It will try to go above 19,850 levels or 19,900 900 levels, but it is going to be a big fight between bulls and bears, and we may travel sideways tomorrow also. So keep that in mind. And in terms of bank nifty, actually we are trying to let me change this to a daily time frame, right? So I've been saying this chart or this line has been drawn maybe 1 month back. So we are just moving here and there between this line, right? So this line, whichever has formed today, this is maybe yesterday's red candle is a fake breakdown, right? Breakdown. So if tomorrow, if let's say for one or other reason, if we are having any positive news, we might bank nifty might close above 43,000. In fact, it has closed above 43,500, and I've been saying that 43,500 level is a very very strong support. Now, if you see the market, Nifty is performing, mid cap is performing, or some other indices, pharma is performing. It is only finance. Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty is not performing. That is the main thing. If we are getting support from Bank Nifty, if we are getting support from Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty financial to be precise, we will move on the higher side, and the next resistance is somewhere around 44,000. So 43,500, we have closed above 43,500. Next target for bank nifty will be 44,000. There is no way, I don't think market, unless until there is very very bad news, market may go to around 43,000, below 43,500 level. But market going below 43,500 is very very remote, and I firmly believe that the market will end up going towards 44,000, and Nifty will end up going to 20,000. So that is my perspective about the market. So literally we are having some long positions, and we will continue to have some long positions. So we are not bearish, we are holding some long positions, and we believe that the market will go on the higher side. And there is, in terms of events, there are no major event. Whatever major event was there, there was FOMC meeting that was being factored into, that is priced into, and there is no other meeting. So we are having a very we are having some data in terms of GDP growth on Wednesday, November 29th, but that is not much of significance. After that, we have Thursday, November 30th, the core price index month on month, personal income month on month, personal spending month on month. So there are lots of data in terms of US, so we don't have to worry about that. Not much of a significance. Friday 8th December we have non-farm payroll data. That's it. Apart from that, there is no big news. But 3rd December is a very very important day in terms of local cues. That is, we have 5 state election, so we have to be very very careful on these days, because anything can happen on these days. So don't try to carry long positions on these days, because election results, let's hypothetically say if BJP loses in these 5 states, then it is going to be a terrible market. So we'll see how things work out. Until then, I'll see you in tomorrow's morning podcast. Take care. Bye.